What up, guys? Just got the new Canon 80D camera. Got the microphone as well. So just actually got done at Vincent's house setting everything up. Got the battery charged a little bit, so this is the first video. So I'm pretty stoked about this. Wait and stay tuned to see the rest of the video. There's Marcus. Just waiting on him so I can give him a jump start, and I think he's gonna go with me to this film screening at the Croc Center, so stay tuned for that. I'm really excited to check that out, what Caden has in store, so can't wait to share that with you guys. Well, obviously I'm not going to film the whole thing, but I'll share that, a little bit of it. Yeah. Oh, you know, just getting her all good to go. So we're walking into the premiere. Yeah, Marcus with me. Yeah, boy. So yeah, gonna check it out tonight. Let's see what's going on. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna send a picture to him.
Waiting on some Italian soda.
Wait, I'm so excited. Yo.
Espresso?
Oh yeah, it's right.
You excited right now, Marcus?
So excited.
So excited. Apparently we can't drink these in the theater, so it's about to start, Marcus. What?
Of that. But basically, tonight we're going to start off with a sci-fi short film that we shot here locally. All the films you're about to see are shot here locally. A huge mission statement of mine and everyone we work with is to show off the amazing talents of the local area. We have tons of amazing people here in Coeur d'Alene in the Spokane area with going to now talk a little bit about the behind the scenes of Recursion, which a couple of you guys were involved in. Character who is, he's brutal. He isn't exactly someone who's fighting for justice. He's fighting for his own personal catharsis, which is not exactly morally correct depending on who you talk to. So we were really able to push the brutality and thanks to Tim's the chair. Actually, Drew, this is, he said like he wants to work in DC Comics. You're probably like, right? He drew this just based off of a couple reference pictures of our costume design, and we are going to be selling those tonight during the intermission and during the end of this. So that is something that's awesome that I just...
What's your name? Wonderful. Colin. Nice to meet you, Colin. Do you like superheroes? Oh yeah, who doesn't, right?
Who's your favorite? Alright, well, we'll work on it.
So, just got to intermission. It is pretty sweet so far. Just got to see the new superhero. So, stay tuned for that. I don't even know if I'm allowed to release that information yet, so stay tuned. Alright, well, so last night I had to take off early from Caden's video screening, film screening. I had personal stuff to attend to, so I had to take off early. Super sad that I had to, but what I saw was incredible last night. Caden, you have such a good talent. Like, keep doing what you're doing. Can't wait to see what you have to do next, honestly. But back to kind of like the vlog aspect of it. I'm in the process of installing Premiere Pro for it. I'm gonna end up having to do like a 2-part video on this video because this is the next day. But yeah, I'm gonna throw it to Viddy.
What are you doing an outro for?
So what do we tell the users?
Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button, guys. Hit the bell for notifications so you can tell when I post great content or when Dan posts great content. We'll see you next time.
Shout out to Project Connect, repping that brand. See you out there. There's Cole on the couch. Peace out, guys.